All right. So you see what I was talking about. This is the hectare. You see the hectare. You see where the centimeters is also is. But look at the question. In the question, you realize that hectare came first even before. They are trying to confuse you. I told you that always make your focus be on what? The left-hand side. After the left-hand side, before you come to the right-hand side. Okay, no matter what, you will surely consider the left-hand side before you consider the right-hand side. That is what I wanted you to know initially. Yes. And that is if you come over here to discover if you come to the left-hand side, where is hectares? Look at where hectare is. And how can we convert hectares to centimeter? No, it is not possible because what are we going to multiply the 10 with? You realize that there is nobody going down. Do you understand me? So if that is the case, it means that they wanted to trick us. So you have to interchange it and if look for centimeters. How many centimeters will make you, how many centimeters will give you hectares? You realize that at the end of the day,
10 times 10 times 10 times 10.
10 times 10. You see, so this 10 times 10 is going to give you 100 times 10, 1,000.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
So now we have your formula. So if your formula is going to be what? 10,000. So that is for my what? 1, 3. Yes. So that is it. 10,000 centimeters is going to give you what? 1 hectare. Okay. Yes, it's going to give you 1 hectare. So that is it. That is it. So at the end of the day, if you now want to interchange it, you can interchange it because I told you that the laws of physics are the same for observers in uniform motion relative to one another. Okay. So you can also interchange it. In mass, if we are saying that A is equal to what? B, then it also means that what? B is equal to what? A. As simple as that. So you can now say that what? 1 HA, 1 hectare is also the same as what? 1,000 what? 10,000 centimeters. And it's also accepted. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes.
once you have your formula, you are good to go. Okay. Once you have your formula, you are good to go. Let me put something over here to help viewers understand this better. So this also, it also means this. So this is our formula. This is our formula. And at the end of the day, if A is equal to B, then it means that B is also equal to A. As simple as that. I still want to maintain the other one, and as simple, I want to maintain the first one. So the formula we had was what? 1,000, or let me say 10,000. 10,000 centimeters was equal to what?
1 hectare.
So 1 hectare. So we are saying that what? If, 10,000 centimeters is equal to 1 hectare, then we put comma again. Then comma, now what is the question? What is hectare?
10 hectare.
So you
10
put,
hectares to centimeters.
okay, so you put 10 hectares under what? Hectare. So I come and put my 10 hectares over here. Then you bring your is equal to, now this count can be what? X. The rest is a matter of cross multiplication. The rest is no more physics. The rest is a matter of what? Mass. Exactly. So you continue. X times what? 1 hectare. And then at the end of the day, here is also
100,000.
10 hectares times 10,000. So this
100,000 centimeters.
10,000 centimeters. Okay. So at the end of the day, if this so don't continue to divide straightforward, though, else you lose the mark. So this full one will give you 1 mark. Come down again and come and write the difference there before you divide. So this is going to give you what? X dot what? X multiplying hectares. So if you see dot, dot means multiplication in physics. So X times hectares is equal to what? 10 hectare times the what? 10,000 we are talking about centimeters. So you see, if we want X to stand alone, what do? We divide both sides by X. Okay. So we divide here by what? Hectare. And we come and divide here by what? Hectare. Because we want X to stand alone. Okay. From here, we can say that what? This hectare will cancel hectare. And also, this hectare can cancel this hectare over here. So finally, you realize that to get an answer in centimeters, we can say that therefore x is equal to 10, or we are going to be left with x is equal to 10 times 10 times 10,000 centimeters.
Oh,
Are we good to go?
Yes.
So the rest is
well understood.
going to be assignments I'm going to give you. So this, if you multiply, what are you going to get? 10 times 10,000.
100,000 centimeters.
Good. So that is going to give us 100,000 centimeters. So you see, as simple as that. As simple as that. If you like, punch the whole of this into AI. Ask AI this same question. Convert 10 hectares to centimeters and see the answer it will give you. It is the same thing. Okay. But to be able to do whatever artificial intelligence is doing, you have to understand this table. Oh. In the examination, or you know artificial intelligence. So I urge you that hard training, easy battle. So learn the hard way so that on the battlefield, whilst others are struggling, you are just smiling. Do you understand me? All right.
Yes.
So do you still want us to solve one last example? Yes,
Yes.
let's take one last more example and then
I have a question, please. I see hectare, but I don't see um you don't have acre in this table, the standard, or it's not accepted.
oh
Because in land measurements in Ghana, normally they use acre.
yes,
They use acre and then hectare.
yes, the issue is that
I
you
don't know.
start in land surveying. Do you understand me? But
Right.
that is from next semester going on. But for the
Okay.
purpose of this semester, let's focus on what we are doing now. Okay? I don't
Very well. Very well.
too far because we still have a lot to learn. We are now coming to
Okay.
start lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all going the way. So for the example,
Thank you.
do anyone have any question for me? From what to what do you want us to convert to? From what to what do you want us to convert to?
From the decimeter to the DA.
Meter to DA.
Yeah,
Direct now.
the deci to DA.
Deci to. Oh, this one to the. You see that the formula is simple. 10 times 10 is 100. So 100 what? Okay, you let's solve it together. Let's solve it together. You said decimeter to DA. So give me the question. Now you said the question for me. You said we should convert
10
uh
decimeter to
10 deci to
1 to a DA.
okay, to 1 deca. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's solve. So this is just as simple. This is direct. For this one, there's direct. So always students can always solve. But when I trick the question the other way around, it becomes a problem, and that is how they will always trick it for you. So
Okay.
okay, this is our solution. So give me the formula. What do you think is going to be the formula? Which formula are we going to use? Can you provide the formula from this table for us?
It's going to be 100 decimeter is equal to 1 deca.
So you see, so it's just a matter of, let me change color pen. So this is just a matter of 10
It's
times.
1,000.
You see, so 10 times 10, you get,
Yes.
plus 10 times 10.
100
So at the end of
to
the,
this.
we say that what our formula is going to be 100, 100 decimeter is equal to what? 1 acre. So let's quickly proceed. So can someone provide me the answer to this? Quick, and we proceed. What is the answer to this? Can someone provide me the answer to this? I'm going to give you for last. That will be the end for the day. So it's 200 decimeter. Okay, you see 1 deca. If 100 decimeter is equal to 1 deca, then, comma, what are we going to do? We are converting to decameter, okay? So we don't know. So we put x over here, and then we bring our equal to the deci. You see that this is 10 deci, so we put deci under deci. So this is 10 deci. Now cross multiplication can function. Multiply it, and this will also, yes. So this will multiply this and this also. So we are going to get what? X. We are going to have x, let's say x times deci, x times 100 deci is equal to 10 deci times 1 deca. So at the end of the day, what do we realize? At the end of the day, x is going to be equal to, let me simplify it. This time, I believe we have all grown molars and premolars, so we can break bones. So final, your answer is going to be x is equal to this. So we say x is going to be equal to, let's say, 10 deci times 1 deca, okay? All over what? 100 deci. At the end of the day, you realize that deci can take care of the deci, and then what are we left with? This 0 can take care of this 0. So at the end of the day, what are we left with? Can anyone tell me the answer? What are we going to get? What is going to be our answer?
1/10.
So at the end of the day, you are getting
1/10.
1 over 10.
10.
So that is 1
deca. Yes.
all of 10. Inverse. An example of an inverse is this. Let me say, if you see someone writing a exponent what? -1 over somewhere. If you want to write it in the form of fraction, it's going to be 1 over what? A. Do you understand me? Good. Let me change color pen and show you something else again. If you see someone writing what? 2 exponents, negative, let me say, 1. What is the meaning of that? Can anyone tell me the meaning of this? This means what? 1
over 2.
Please, 1/2.
1 over 2. Okay. So at the end of the day, if you see 1 over 10 somewhere, what do you think is going to be the meaning of that?
10 raised to the power minus 1.
10 raised to the power minus 1. As simple as that, you are good to go. So finally, we say that therefore, x is equal to what? 10 exponent -1 deca. Or what I just taught you initially, even before we begin the class. Or what? 0.1, right?
0.1. Yes.
Or 0.1. So, and why am I writing 0.1? Because it's a -1. So -1 means that you are going to bring 0 before what? A number is going to come. So that is it. So 0.1 deca. Yes, so this was a very good question. At the end of the day, it has helped us to learn something extraordinarily. Okay, so you can see that my page is finished for solving of questions. And then at the end of the day, I'm just going to send you some questions to solve. Once you are done solving, you send it to me, and then I'll check it out for you. Okay. Remember to ask more questions. Okay. I'll be sending you the videos. Try and watch the lecture videos. So that If we meet on Monday and we start solving complex problems, you will not face issues. Anyone who failed to watch this video is going to face problems. That is the truth. Okay, because I won't come back to this. If I'm solving, I'll just continue solving. Do you understand me? And I'm sure we have played with the convention table, and we all know how to do some of these conventions. Okay, so if we happen to meet in person next week, we'll see how to take it from there. Thank you very much for your time. May God richly bless you all. Bye bye.